Have you ever heard of jiggers? These tiny, parasitic sand fleas may seem small, but their impact on human lives is devastating. Found in many rural and poverty-stricken regions, jiggers burrow into the skin, causing extreme pain, infection, and even disability. In today's video on Medicera, I'll discuss how you can save a life from jiggers, covering everything from identification to safe removal and prevention. Stay with me till the end to learn how we can fight this painful condition together. Jiggers, also known as Tunga penetrans, are tiny parasitic fleas that burrow into the skin, commonly affecting feet, toes, hands, and other exposed areas. These parasites feed on the host's blood and lay eggs inside the skin, causing painful sores, inflammation, and in severe cases, secondary infections. Identifying a jigger infestation early is crucial. Here are some common symptoms: intense itching and discomfort, small black spots on the skin indicating the jigger's entry point, painful swollen or hardened skin, ulcers and secondary bacterial infections in severe cases. If left untreated, jiggers can lead to severe infections, tissue damage, gangrene, and even amputation. Removing jiggers safely is critical to avoid infection and further complications. Here's a step-by-step guide to proper jigger extraction. Sanitize the area. Wash the affected skin with warm water and antibacterial soap. Sterilize tools. Use a sharp, clean needle or scalpel, sterilized with alcohol or flame. Careful extraction. Gently remove the jigger, ensuring you extract the entire parasite, including its eggs. Disinfect the wound. Apply antiseptic to the area to prevent infection. Cover the wound. Use a clean bandage to keep it protected. Pain management. If necessary, provide pain relief and monitor for any signs of infection. Prevention is always better than cure. Here's how you can protect yourself and others from jiggers. Wear shoes. Jiggers mostly enter through bare feet, so wearing closed-toe shoes reduces risk. Keep living spaces clean. Sweep floors and remove dirt, as jiggers thrive in dusty, unsanitary areas. Use insecticides. Spraying infested areas with safe insecticides can help kill fleas before they attack. Encourage hygiene. Regular foot washing and moisturizing can prevent jiggers from latching onto the skin. Raise awareness. Educating communities about jiggers and their impact can help prevent infestations. Many people suffer in silence due to lack of awareness and medical access. Here's how you can make a difference. Support organizations working to eliminate jiggers in affected areas. Donate medical supplies like antiseptics, bandages, and shoes to those in need. Educate others about jigger prevention and treatment. Together we can fight jiggers and ensure a healthier future for affected communities. Jiggers may be small, but their impact is massive. With the right knowledge, treatment, and prevention methods, we can save lives and restore hope. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Medicera for more informative content. Let's spread awareness and fight jiggers together. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.